Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in your Ford Ranger. First, gather all your necessary tools and supplies. You'll need a new oil filter, the correct type and amount of motor oil, a drain pan, and a wrench. Make sure your truck is parked on a level surface with the parking brake engaged. It's also important to let the engine cool down for about 15 to 20 minutes to avoid burns. Next, it's time to drain the old oil. Slide your drain pan under the engine, directly beneath the oil drain plug. Using your wrench, carefully loosen and remove the plug. Be prepared for the oil to flow out quickly. Let it drain completely, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes, ensuring all the old, dirty oil is out of your engine. Now, let's replace the oil filter. Find the old filter, usually on the side of the engine block. Use an oil filter wrench to carefully remove it, being mindful of any residual oil. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Then, hand tighten the new filter until it's snug and give it about an additional 1/4 turn with the wrench. Finally, it's time to add the fresh oil. First, ensure the drain plug is securely back in place. Remove the oil fill cap on your engine and carefully pour in the recommended amount of new motor oil, typically around 5 to 6 quarts for a Ford Ranger. Replace the cap, start the engine briefly, then turn it off. Check the dipstick to confirm the oil level is correct and look for any leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.